Thank you for calling the Britain Branch Office of Jehovah's Witnesses. Please select from the following options. For Service Department, press 1. For Legal Department, press 2.
Hello, Britain Branch Legal Department.
Hello, brother. Hello.
Hello.
Did you know it's Israel's 77th birthday of becoming a nation?
Oh, thank you so much for your time. Thank you.
I haven't finished.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm Jehovah, by the way. Idiot.
Thank you.
You stupid.
Good morning, service desk reception.
Hello, brother. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Ah, hi. If you just go and look at Jeremiah 6 verse 1, it says basically I'll light a fire signal over Beth Hasherem. Beth Hashe, H-A-C-C, is my daughter's name. Verse 2 talks about the daughter of Zion, which is says as a beautiful and delicate woman, which was my wife's birthday was yesterday, and it's Israel's 77th birthday today. Did you know? And there's actual supernatural clouds outside, which I've took a video of yesterday on before my wife's birthday. About 16 minutes before, there was a supernatural star went across my house. It wasn't the International Space Station because it was basically off the coast of Australia. Right, so you need to go and look at my YouTube channel, Jehovah Hashe, H-A-C-C-H-E. You already know who I am. I am Jehovah God Almighty, and Watchtower is going down on the 3rd of August, 2025, which is Tisha B'Av. Do you know what that was in the Bible? 9th of Av. It's when both temples were destroyed. Are you aware of that, brother? Hello? Flipping believable.
Good morning, LDC.
Hello, how are you, sister?
Good, thank you. How are you?
All right, just something quick, just to look at. You know Jeremiah 6:1, right? Go and have a look there. It says, I will light a fire signal over Beth Hasherem. Beth, Hashe, H-A-C-C-H-E, it's in the New World Translation, is my daughter's name, right? You know that fire at the headquarters, behind the headquarters, the wildfires, it was on jw.org, the orange smoke. That's the fire signal, by the way. By the way, my sister, and they don't want to know, Watchtower, they know who I am. I am Jehovah God Almighty. And if you think it's impossible for Jehovah to come down to earth, think again. Luke 1 verse 30, I can't remember now, but it says that nothing is impossible for God.
I'm so sorry to interrupt you, but I think I'm going to end the call.
Sister, you are going down on the 3rd of bloody August. Ha ha ha!
Good afternoon, Accounting Department. How can I direct your call?
Hello, sister. Did you know it was actually Israel's 77th birthday today? And you know when Jesus said about the generation will by no means pass away? That's what Jesus was talking about, you know. The generation when Israel became a nation. So it's 77 years old today. Did you know?
Did you have a question for Accounting Department?
Just to say, read Jeremiah 6:1. It talks about light a fire signal over Beth Hasherem. Beth Hashe, H-A-C-C, is my daughter's name. By the way, sister, they all know at Bethel I'm Jehovah, don't they? And they all put the phone down on me. I wonder why they put the phone down on Jehovah when the Israelites did the same thing and never listened to Jehovah. Do you think it's impossible for Jehovah to come down to earth?
I don't think this is a call for Accounting.
Here we go again. Jehovah here, by the way. Knock, knock. Supernatural Jehovah's going to take down the Watchtower. What idiots.